our first runner-up. Ayan po, malinaw na malinaw.
Malinaw, malinaw. Alright, are we ready? Mrs. Kagandang Ina Universe 2025 is none other than Gender Numbers number 10. Congratulations to Jeremy Gonzalez, garnered 47.40 points. Wow, wow, wow. What a great idea. And congratulations to everybody.
Yes.
Being part of this night. Napakasaya po. Nag-enjoy po kami. Gusto na maging part ng event na ito.